Let's see what it is. That'd be I think it's a Sterling dump truck, maybe. Here, Jake brake, Braxton.
Yeah, what does the Jake brake do?
It's a Sterling. He's loaded of dirt. I got 44 of the year. Another one, red Kenworth. That's a red Kenworth dump truck McMahan trucking from Rochport, Missouri. All right. That's from Rochport, Missouri. I got 45 of the year. He was empty.
He's not hauling anything?
Nope.
No. Maybe he's getting ready to pick something up.
Yep.